Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for Doha Online Banking account. If you want to access your financial transactions and account histories from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is very simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. On the search bar, search for qa.dohabank.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go to the alternative and choose your DB Online. By tapping on it, you will land onto an interface like this. So in order to start your registration process, you will have to enter your customer details in this page. Go to debit card number and enter your debit card number in the boxes here. Then you will have to select the expiry date for your debit card number. Then enter your debit card PIN in the text field here, and as per your need, enter a desired online banking username. In order to check the availability for your username, go and tap onto this check availability. Then don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions by clicking onto this box and tap on next. Then on the next page, you will have to enter your OTP, which you will receive on your registered mobile number and email address. Upon entering the OTP onto the screen, you will receive a temporary DBank online login password on your registered mobile and email address. Then go and tap on register and you will have successfully registered for online banking account on Doha Bank. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.